cutting on the action is a way that editors like to hide their cuts. And you can see here with my arm moving, your eye likes to follow that. When your eye naturally moves, it's naturally expecting some kind of a transition. So you can use that to your advantage. I'm going to give you a jump cut. I'm going to give you a jump cut, but I'm going to do that jump cut on the action. Because I did it on an action, then that means that me holding the gun has some sort of context to it. It has some sort of, even though it's inexplicable, it has some sort of feel to it that hides the cut a little bit. It makes it exciting. But sometimes having a cool transition adds to the experience. And so adding to the experience with a cool transition is another way of hiding your cuts. And one of the best ways to do that really is a diegetic transition. So first let's talk about what diegetic means in the world of film and media. So diegetic means it exists inside of the fictional world you see it in. So this video isn't fictional, but if it was, we could have some music playing. And that music playing right now is very abstract. It just exists on top of the video. But now, if I tell you that this music's actually playing from this speaker right here, and now I can hear the music you're listening to. And then if I turn it off, the music stops. So that changed the music from something abstract to something diegetic. So when it comes to transitions, they're inherently not real. That's why editors are trying to hide them. But you can take something that is real, like my arms, and you can do something clever, like grab the corner of the screen, and then you can clearly just pull something over it. Take this moment to do a bit of self-promotion. I actually have a Patreon, and that helps me spend more time doing videos and less time doing other things that I have to do to make money. If you want to check that out, you can just look at it right here. If you, my friend, are making a documentary, Diegetic Transitions may be all over the place because you naturally don't have a world you're trying to hide everything in. If you're trying to prove to everybody it's real, like you're making a Frankenstein movie and you want everyone to feel like Frankenstein is actually real, you probably shouldn't do a lot of diegetic transitions, or if you do them, they need to be extremely tasteful. If you're making a comedy, however, if you're looking for more about diegetic transitions, I've got 5 diegetic transitions you can try yourself in Vegas Pro and Movie Studio. So go ahead and give that a look, and I hope your diegetic transitions make the cut. So like if this video helped you out, subscribe if you're looking for more, and if you're looking to help me out, you can actually buy Vegas Pro or your updates for Vegas Pro through my affiliates links below, or you can check out my Patreon where I can even offer you personalized video advice for certain patrons and also some other offers. So please check that out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.